everybody, Fantasticairy here, back with another video. In this week's video, I'm going to be painting a page full of pumpkins. I have been working on this page for about a week now, when I have time, and I'm painting a little pumpkin for you guys in this week's video. At the end, I'll share with you the final reveal with all the painted pumpkins on the sketchbook page. So please stick around for that. Of course, I start off by kind of painting in the shape of the pumpkin. I'm going for a more round shaped pumpkin this time, starting off with a yellow, very light in value, using lots of water, and then I'll add in some reds and oranges using the wet and wet technique so everything just blends together naturally to see what kind of texture and look I get in the end. I'm also leaving these little white spaces kind of on the right side of the pumpkin, almost like a highlight. Not being shy to really add in some more pigment in certain areas of my composition. It's all about experimentation and not being shy. Of course, our pumpkin needs a little stumpy head, so I'm going to paint that in with just some brown. I like the little shape of this, the stump part of the pumpkin. It looks like he has a little hat, like a tiny little witch hat. Using the wet on wet technique too, to also blend in some brown while I have it nice and fresh on my paintbrush, taking advantage of the wet on wet technique again. We could have a floating pumpkin, that would be interesting, but I am going to base this pumpkin in some patch of grass, completing the overall composition. Now that everything is dry, I'm going to go over with some darker values, more saturated paint, with my tiny 0.5 round brush. I was using my 2 round brush before this, but I like to use this one for details. I'm painting in the lines and grooves that kind of go up and down the pumpkin, still making sure that I leave some interesting texture in between the grooves to give this pumpkin more of a characteristic look and stylistic look. I'm adding more saturation, not being shy with my reds, going in very vibrant. I'm not using as much water on my paintbrush this time. This tiny paintbrush doesn't hold a lot of water, which I'm using to my advantage to use a little bit of a dry brush technique to brush in some interesting texture. I really do like how the paint dried after the wet on wet technique, creating the interesting textures around the white parts that I left unpainted. I love creating style. It gives the painting so much more characteristic. I love this vibrant red color. I get a little bit nervous adding it to a painting, as sometimes I think it might be too saturated, but it always dries a little bit less saturated in the end, depending on what kind of paints you're using. Now that I got my main details in, I'm going to go back to the little stump hat. I noticed on the stump of the pumpkins I've been painting, the stumps have these lines that almost look like veins, so I wanted to recreate that with a little bit of a darker brown. I believe I'm using a burnt umber color, using that same 05 brush to detail in these tiny details. As you can see, the stump is not very big. Darkening that burnt umber color with a little bit more thickness in the paint, as well as adding a little bit of black to the burnt umber. I'm going to let you guys enjoy the final reveal with some music, and I'll see you at the end for the end result. This page was a lot of trusting the process and experimentation. I tried out a lot of different brush techniques to create different textures and the looks of the pumpkins. I would have liked to have a little bit more variety in the shape of the pumpkins, but overall I'm pretty satisfied with how this page has turned out. All the colors, the textures, it was all a lot of fun to paint, and I enjoyed filling this page. We're halfway through October now as Halloween fastly approaches. I'm enjoying the autumn weather and I'm enjoying the soon-to-be spooky vibes to come. I hope you guys are enjoying the autumn season as well, and thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe if you're new. Thank you for all the comments down below. They really make me happy. You can find me on the social medias and the links in the description below, as well as my imprint shop where you can purchase some of the artworks I've done thus far. Videos are every Friday. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to paint for next week's video, so it'll be a surprise for both of us. Okay guys, again, thank you for watching and I'll see you next week on Friday. Bye bye!